From raw steel to one of the largest mining machines ever built, this is the birth of the TAKRAF SRS.
Inside this giant facility, thousands of precision-engineered components will come together.
Every millimeter must handle extreme loads in surface mining.
This machine is designed to operate continuously in the harshest mining environments. Precision handling is critical, giant. Even a single component weighs tens of tons. Advanced automation ensures accuracy at an industrial scale.
Structural integrity is our top priority.
Every component is inspected before assembly even begins.
This factory is transformed into a perfectly choreographed assembly line.
The groundwork is complete. Now, construction begins. Every giant machine begins with an unshakable foundation.
These plates distribute millions of kilograms of load.
Millimeter accuracy is essential at this scale. This structure will support continuous 24/7 mining operations. Weld depth and strength must exceed safety margins. These reinforcements prevent structural deformation under load.
Non-destructive testing ensures flawless internal weld quality.
Alignment tolerance less than 1 millimeter.
This is the backbone of the world's most powerful surface mining systems.
With the base secured, the machine is ready to rise. Now the core structure takes shape on Titan, the central chassis.
These beams carry the operational loads of the entire machine.
Each joint is engineered to survive decades of vibration. Internal reinforcement prevents fatigue and torsional twist.
Lowering 5 centimeters, I hold position.
These nodes connect moving systems to the static structure.
High-precision machining ensures perfect component fit.
Frame deviation is within acceptable limits.
The backbone of the excavator is now complete.
With the chassis secured, attention turns to the machine's most iconic component.
At the center of this machine is its most powerful weapon, the bucket wheel. These buckets are designed to tear through compacted overburden.
These teeth handle extreme abrasion.
The hub transfers cutting forces into the main structure. Each weld must withstand constant impact forces.
Friction control is critical at this scale.
Perfect balance reduces vibration and wear.
No defect is allowed in this component.
This wheel alone weighs hundreds of tons. Next, this cutting giant will be united with the machine. The boom carries the bucket wheel and the material flow system.
Maintain slow movement. Alignment is critical. These joints must resist bending and vibration.
Conveyors allow continuous, non-stop excavation. Correct tension prevents belt slippage. This platform supports operators, systems, and maintenance access. Bracing ensures stability during aggressive digging.
These joints allow precise boom movement.
The excavator begins to resemble its final form. With structure in place, power systems come next. Powering this giant requires industrial-scale drive systems.
This motor controls the machine's rotation.
Gear reduction converts raw power into controlled force. Perfect alignment prevents premature wear.
These drives move the entire machine.
Continuous lubrication is essential for long service life. Initial testing confirms smooth power transfer.
Temperature levels are within range.
The machine's muscles are now in place.
Next comes the brain that controls it all.
A machine this complex requires a powerful control system.
These systems handle megawatt-level loads.
Electric power is distributed across hundreds of meters.
This is the control core.
Okay.
Sensors provide real-time feedback during operation. High-speed data links synchronize every system.
All systems responding correctly.
Before mining begins, every movement is tested.
Safety systems are verified under controlled conditions.
With intelligence installed, the operator's environment comes next. Even a giant machine needs a precise human touch.
These mounts reduce operator fatigue.
Controls are designed for long, continuous shifts. All parameters visible in real time.
Safety systems are always within reach. Worker safety extends across the entire structure.
Blind spots are eliminated.
Every scenario is planned for. The command center is ready.
Now, the final mechanical systems are integrated.
Hydraulics control the movement of massive components.
These pumps generate precise control forces.
Each line must withstand extreme pressure. These cylinders position the cutting system.
Flow control determines machine responsiveness.
Leak-free operation is essential. All systems must work in harmony.
Movement smooth and controlled.
The build phase nears completion.
Next, protection and identity are applied.
Before entering the mine, the machine must be protected from the elements. Surface preparation ensures coating durability.
This layer protects against moisture and abrasion.
Controlled curing strengthens adhesion. This finish defines the machine's identity. Clear markings are essential for safe operation.
All vulnerable areas covered.
Every layer is verified to specification.
The giant now wears its armor. Next, the machine faces its first real challenge.
Before leaving the factory, every system is rigorously tested.
Rotation smooth. No abnormal vibrations detected.
Hydraulic responsiveness ensures precise operation in the field.
All motors within operational tolerance.
Control systems respond to every command with millisecond accuracy.
Belts and rollers maintain speed and tension under load.
Range of motion and safety clearances verified. Heat management ensures long-term reliability.
Every component meets operational specification.
The machine passes its first ultimate test. Now, it moves to the real world.
Finally, the TAKRAF SRS 8000 Bucket Wheel Excavator faces its ultimate test, the open pit mine.
Engaging full cutting capacity, everything is nominal.
Conveyor systems handle hundreds of tons per hour seamlessly. This machine dwarfs conventional mining equipment.
Hydraulic precision allows safe, controlled operation.
The heart of surface mining beats in motion.
All systems are green. Full performance achieved.
Every system works together in perfect harmony. From blueprint to giant, every detail engineered for maximum efficiency.
The TAKRAF SRS 8000 Bucket Wheel Excavator, the pinnacle of surface mining engineering, ready for decades of operation.